Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Shirlene, and today we're going to be doing a quick mini haul from a few items that I got from Pretty Little Thing. So the first item here, this is a black heart print puff sleeve contrast bodycon dress. You guys, this dress looks amazing on the model, but I wasn't quite sure how it looks like on me. You know, I don't really like to show my cleavage that much, and my bra strap was showing. It was a little bit tight. It was really cute though, but like, I didn't like it on me per se, but it was only $16, so it wasn't too bad. What do you think? And yeah, I was a blondie for that week. And yeah, this is how it is. It's kind of short, but I really love it though. Like it's different, which is why I went ahead and I purchased it. So the next thing that we have on here, this is a dusty blue tailored wide leg pant. I got it for $17. The pants did not fit. I was like, hold up. The color is beautiful, but I did not like the pants or the material. But it looks amazing on the model though, just not for me. So yeah, couldn't even fit. What a shame, what a shame, what a shame. Because that's a beautiful color. I don't have that in my closet, but I guess I still don't have it because it don't fit. All right. So the next item I have, oh my god, these pants. This is a chocolate brown tailored pant. I got it for $10. You guys, they're so comfortable. The material it's not thick, it's breathable, it's like a little bit stretchy. Look how amazing the model looks on there. Like, look at, like, I wish I had gotten the top too, but I didn't get that. But the pants are beautiful, and I'm pairing it off with this shirt that I got from Shein from one of my other hauls. But the pants, oh my gosh, like a 10 out of 10 in my book. Like, this whole outfit is a vibe. The next thing that I purchased, this is a white striped tie waist blouse. I got it for $17. Wow. It's cute though. It ain't worth $17 cute, but it's cute. I'm also still wearing the same pants, and you can just tie it or you can leave it open, however you choose to. But it's just nice and simple, and it's nice and airy, and it's not too it's not a thick material. It's very thin material, and I think it was a little bit stretchy if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, it was pretty nice. The next thing that I have, this is a polka dot puff sleeve top neck sheared shirt. It was a little tight, I'm not gonna lie. The material is very itchy, like it's very itchy, but I had to like make it do what it does. Yeah, you guys, I'm a blondie. What y'all think about this blondie? I think I was a blondie for 2 weeks. And I have this dusty pink stretch seam detail midi skirt. This is how the skirt is looking like. It looks better on the model. I didn't get the top. I probably should have. The model made it look like it was stretchy. It's not that stretchy. It was hard getting into it. You guys, I'm trying to do that pose that the Instagram models be doing. It wasn't working. Me and my belly, it was not working, but it's a nice color. I don't have that color in my closet. I do now. I was thinking that this could go together, but I guess not. It's enough for me, dog. That I got this organza sleeve pearl detail top. I didn't get a chance to show it because I already worn it, so this is how it looks like. And the next item, I got this big old coat, waterfall coat, and it was only $14. I did get 2 other items. However, what I got in the mail versus what I ordered was not the same thing, so I did have to go ahead and return that. But the coat is it's not thick, but it's like it's a weird material. Yeah, it was nice. But that's pretty much it. It was just a quick haul, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more of me on your timeline, subscribe to your girl. What are you waiting for? And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.